Here's a few potential trading opportunities that I'm personally watching in the short term. First up is CHWY. I think it will be worth a lot more later. It used to do really well. I've traded it many times successfully on this channel, but lately it's been beat down. It has an earnings report soon that I think could be a good opportunity. It usually surpasses expectations on earnings, but after the last report had a slight reduction in sales, it dropped from 35 to 30 per share, but then it slowly built back to 35 per share. So if this earnings causes it to dip, I'll definitely be buying it and fully expecting it to recover, but I also plan to start buying it now since I'm happy to hold it long term, so if the earnings go well, I can take profits a lot sooner. Secondly is AMC. I simply plan to start slowly buying it with a marginal amount of capital because it always eventually turns around. If the stock, market, or economy have good news anytime soon, which is possible, it could rebound. Mostly, I'd prefer to buy it under $4 per share especially. Third is DWAC. Like I've said recently, I've bought DWAC under $13 per share at least 3 times in the last number of months, and all those times I bought it under 13, I was able to take profits over 13 per share shortly after that. Fourthly is SQ. There were 2 recent opportunities to buy it under 59 and sell it over 60. Plus, I'm happy to hold it longer term because I think it will eventually get back to 80 or so per share later. There's also stocks like Beyond Meats, PayPal, Disney, and Alibaba that are worth watching or considering because there could be catalysts for them soon, or even if you buy and average down, they should be higher value later. And this strategy works very well for me very often, just like my past videos showed the few times I bought SoFi under 5 per share and sold it over 5 per share, or like last week when I took 100% return on my Ford call option and I'm still holding another one, and when Pinterest just dipped to about 20 per share after earnings and I bought a few call options and I slowly took over 100% gains on each of the 3 call options as it climbed back to 24 over a few weeks. There's also been opportunities to day trade long and short the market as news causes it to fluctuate, just like the debt ceiling being resolved soon could cause a jump, just like in a month or two pausing interest rate hikes could cause a jump.